Okay, boys and girls, in case you are not sick enough of my face and my voice, I just wanted to show you this little video which demonstrates exactly what you would be doing in the classroom if we were to do this thermos engineering problem. We went over the materials that they said that we would be giving to you, and they included the foam cups, the small cups, the larger cups, the thermometers, and a timer. So here you would be taking your large cup and you'd be placing the smaller cup inside the large cup, which obviously, if you look here, leaves you some room between the small cup and the larger cup. And in between this area that's in between the two cups, that's where you would be adding your insulating material. So what you are going to be doing is telling me what material you think you could put in between those two cups that is going to provide you the best insulation, that's going to cause the least energy transfer, the least temperature change. So your question is, what materials do you want to put between the cups to test their insulating properties?